What's up, guys? Welcome back to another video. So today we're gonna go and show you guys a better look at the 240 that we just picked up. So exterior wise, the car has a Car Shop Wonder kit. I'm assuming it's legit. I don't know if they make replicas on this kit yet, but it has a Car Shop Wonder kit. It's supposed to come with a full kit. So it has the front bumper, side skirts, rear bumper, as well as the fender extensions or things that come on the side, I assume. It's pretty gutted. There's no headliner, there's no side trims. The back is fully gutted. Yeah, let's go ahead and just take out this body kit so we can see what's in the car. Oh, and I just seen the kit is real. It has the logo, the Wonder logo, embedded into the fiberglass. So that's a plus. This kit is super expensive as it is. Oh yes, I was looking for this right here. This is the cover for the underneath of the dash. Yo, is this a... Guys, look, you know how everybody's missing 10s? I found a 10mm in a bag over here, so somebody's missing it, and I just came up on one because, you know, if you work on cars, 10s always go missing. It comes with the... It looks to be like a delete for the dash. And then we got this box of goodies right here. I don't know what's in here. Let's take this out. Check it out. Yo, we got like a lot of pieces that I was gonna try and buy. Good thing I'm looking through it now. Yo, we got like tools and stuff. Sheesh. Harnesses, speedometers. Yo. Beautiful and down. We got a sick hat. We got AC vents in case I want to put them back in. Oh, this is like air needle scaler. This comes with everything. Bunch of bolts and stuff. What? We just got so much goodies. What is this? Yo, got a little Dremel. We just be coming up on all kind of stuff around here, guys. All right, let's go check out the car. Right off the bat, you guys can see that there is no passenger seat. As you guys know, we installed some bride seats into Christine's car over there, so we're probably gonna put her S14 seats in this car because they're more cleaner. The carpet is in a decent shape. I'll probably remove the carpet and repaint it black. The dash is pretty uncracked. There's a crack right here, but I do have a cover coming for this dash, so it'll look nice and clean. Show them the window. Huh? Show them the window. Guys, I know a bunch of us grew up with some manual windows. Kaylee has never grew up with manual windows, so this is something new for her. Doesn't that make you guys feel old? Like, this was a normal thing back when we were young, and now she has no idea that this was even a thing before. That's so cool, yeah, that it has window crankers.
Yeah, I want one.
No, you don't want window crankers. It's so hard to roll down all the windows. It also comes with the, I guess, the Wonder Wing. It goes with the kit. So it comes with a Sparkle steering wheel, but I like the Vertex better, so I'll be taking this Sparkle wheel off. Yo, I legit think that they Loctited this on, or how come I can't take it off? We got a Starbucks gift card in here.
Really?
I wonder, can you see if we got money on here? Let me came up on some Starbucks.
Money on it?
Oh, there was $0 on it.
First try, every single time. I wonder if I could find a head unit that could just fit right in here. Because I don't need a double din, I just need something that'll fit right in here.
Why don't you try the single din that we have? Try go grab it. It's inside those cabinets.
I'm working on something. Why don't you go see if it fits?
What are you working on?
Playing with this. Checking make sure the shift knob is tight. I want to get like a plastic piece that'll fit right in here.
So about
at least as wide as my fist.
About one of these knuckle sandwiches.
Yeah. This is about the size of a knuckle sandwich. Yeah. Because I want to put a piece of like ABS plastic or like a black plastic or something to cover this, since I don't need an ashtray because we don't smoke and it's gonna be like a track car, so it's gonna just be like a block off plate, pretty much like a delete panel. Same thing as like this, even though this is made out of metal. It's harder than Christine's head. Yeah, so we're gonna go to the, what do they even call it? We'll call it Home Depot.
What else would you call it?
You know how they call it like a, what do they call it? Like a home, not Home Goods. Like
a home improvement store?
Yeah, we're gonna go to a home improvement store, even though we're making car improvements.
Whoa, watch out the car! Whoa, watch out this car! You can hit this car, it's fine. Whoa, did they just paint this?
Why, what color was it before? She's like, I had just seen a white one. Can you not just video the person like this?
In a couple weeks, there's gonna be a Vishnu's.
It's not. I don't even own that car anymore.
What do you mean? You're not gonna put them on the 240?
No, what do you mean? Okay guys, we're gonna get down to business. I got the center console up on the workbench, cutoff wheel, and my template right on the back. I'm gonna go ahead and start cutting this out. Hopefully it works out the first time. I was able to grind it down and I got it like almost perfect. There's like a millimeter or so gap like in this tiny corner right here. And honestly, I'm probably gonna leave it. It's not that big of a deal to me.